Right, I am back again, and this is number 4. This is part 4, y'all. We're getting through this thing, and I talked about the immune system, which is a network of tissues, organs, and that works together, and cells rather that works together to defend the body against attacks by bacteria, fungus, parasites, okay, that can cause us infections. Well, we got to understand this here again, excitotoxins. Mm-hmm. Those excitotoxins are our GMO and our GEOs. Okay, the GMO is it stands for genetically modified organism, and the GEO is genetically engineered organism. They are our monosodium glutamate, our aspartame, carrageenan, caseins, and other additives that makes food more flavorful. It makes it more softer, crunchier, colorful. These things affect our gut flora, which are our bacterias. These bacteria help digest the sugars, the starches, and the fibers that are found in the grains, the beans, and the vegetables. So we need those microfluids, right? To help keep the bowel walls healthy and clean. But those microflores can turn into pathogens, and pathogens are bad bacteria. They turn bad because of what you eat influences the microbes, and in turn influences the hungry signals, leptins, ghrelin, and insulin. Now, remember, I told you that leptin is that hungry feeling, is that hungry signal that says you're full. And ghrelin is that hungry signal that tells you that, I see it, I smell it, I want it, right? And insulin is that hungry signal that just says, I want it. All right. So, well, these hungry signals are also influencing the serotonin and the dopamine neurotransmitters. So remember what neurotransmitters are. They are the electrical and chemical signals that relay signals between nerve cells that are called neurons. Okay? And the neurotransmitters are regulated by your feelings and behavior levels that are between high or low and high or high and low, right? But anyway, the serotonin neurotransmitters are happy neurotransmitters. Okay? They make you feel like, well, they're classified under the inhibitory transmitters, which helps balance the mood, right? They're the ones that sends those impulses between the nerve cells to help regulate your body temperature. And it also transmit the impulses between the nerve cells to help regulate the body processes that are found in the brain, the blood, the platelets, and the bile. Okay, and dopamine is both excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitters that help regulates the movements and emotional responses that includes behavior and cognition, motivation, punishments, and reward. Dopamine is very important to helping us have a mental drive or an impulse of getting things accomplished. So now that you understand that, now I'm going to stop right here. Come back and join me for part 5, okay? We're going to talk more about the water. I'm going to get to it, but I'm trying to break it down for you so that you can understand the body system. Know that I love and care for you, all right?